Hello everyone, welcome to Trouble Machine. Today I'm gonna show you how the marble processing is done. What are the processing stage required from the mountain marble to the marble slab. Marble processing is a fascinating art from the quarry to until they are loaded onto the container ready for the shipment. Marble slab go through different transformation phases. Depending on the needs, each block of the marble is cut on the slab or as per the required measure in order to build staircase or to be used in the flooring or vaulting. There are 6 processing stages required for the marble processing. Their first one is marble mining, and second one is arrival and unloading of the marble blocks. Third one is marble cutting, and fourth one is strengthening and polishing. Fifth one is slab storage, and sixth one, the last one, is loading. The first stage of marble processing is mining. Nature is in change of providing marble with its shape and color for 1,000 years. Therefore, this is always unique, rare material. Mostly composed and calcium carbonate, marble has been and continue to be used as a construction and decorative material due to its beauty and resistance. Marble is currently being obtained from open cast quarries such as the Surima Mafia Koto, but also underground quarries. Extraction method and the result marble block sizes will be depend on the quarries is question. Marble quarries is always done in vertical cuts. However, there are also cases where it is also done in the horizontal cut. This slab depends on their areas of morphology. The resulting block comprises 6 parallel sides, each side weighed between the 6 to 15 tons. In regard of the dimension, it can be between the 2.2 and 3 meter, wide 1.2 to 1.5 meter. Block classification. Once each block is extraction from the quarries, there is a classified based on the certain quantity of criteria such as the block size, tons, amount of strake. That means the lower of the amount of strake, the higher quality is better classification. The cleanliness, clean materials are those with no stain, and the cracks, those are the block classification needed. As the matter of example, the top quality marble block would be a lighter color tone and almost no strike. Depending on how each block is classified, this will determine the marble price. Arriving and unloading the marble block. Once the block has been extracted from the quarry, these are transported to lorries to manufacture for processing. At each production center, the blocks are unloaded and classified in the blocks yard period to being sold. Due to their large dimension and heavy weight, the blocks needed to be moved and handled with crane and specified machine, both during loading and unloading during the processing. Blocks generally stored outdoor in the block yard until the next phase, the marble processing phase. The next phase is the marble cutting. Marble is cut using the multi-wear or block cutter. Depending on their dimension, block may be cut using different methods. Large block will be processed in the multi-wear cutter, while smaller and irregular block will be cut using the block cutter. The aim is to make the most of the block measurement by reducing any waste as much as possible. Other features such as the type of marble, quality required materials, slab tiles, staircase shall also influence the choice of block to be cut. Multi-wear cutter will be produce slab. Multi-wear cutter will produce slab. On the other hand, block cutter will be produce the strip that will be subsequent process by the meter saw and cutter or to create a tiles. Slab have maximum of 1.8 to 2 meter. Maximum thickness is 1.5 centimeter. Multi-wear marble cutting blocks are introduced in the machine by means of platform that simplified their movement. The comprises diamond wear that can cut the block will in vertical direction. In this manner they are able to obtain as many slab as the marble where they are equipped with a block will usually take a 8 hour to cut. Once the block has been sawed, the slab are processed individually in production chain. Marble block cutting is in case of highly irregular block, cutting performance level will be dropped and therefore there will be an additional cost. For the reason we use block cutter instead. Block cutter are equipped with large dimensional saw blade to cut block the vertical direction. These cuts are made both directions. As at the same time, this also included further horizontal saw blade to cut the strip once the right vertical thickness has been achieved. Once the strip is obtained, this processed in cutter obtained by desired measurement. Marble strengthening and polishing. This is one of the most crucial stage of the marble processing. Marble strengthening and polishing. Slabs are taken to production line for further processing. At the first step, the material is strengthened and attaching a mesh to further resistance. Following, the marble is subject to an abbreviation process in order to change their appearance and produce different finishes. Polishing. In case of we enhance the marble shine and color of the living smooth glory surface. Polishing time will be depending on the block and dimension. It will be usually take 45 to 60 minutes. Honing, and then the next step is aging, brush hammering, then the sanding. The finish material is much less surface than the brush hammering process. And the split faces. This is the most rustic finish, which can be achieved very rough surface. And this would be the very last stage of the marble preparation process in case of slab that ready for sale. Otherwise, the slab would be subject to further cutting and finishing process. Slab storage is the one of the processing stage. Once the corresponding finish will be applied, the slab will be ready to display. Will go directly black packaging ready for the shipment. If the marble slab are being shipped abroad, A series of wooden bundles will be prepared in order to introduce them in container. While if your slab being shipped within the country, these are transported using iron frame to hold them place. Then the marble loading and shipment. Marble attracted great deal of interest of worldwide for the reason